The first plastic was created because there was a competition in 1869 to design something that can replace ivory. So Mr. Hyatt came with this brilliant design, brilliant product that was the first plastic. And it was brilliant. It was cheap, it was quick to manufacture, it has brilliant properties, and actually the first introduction of plastics was, this is saving our planet. This is saving species. Yeah, we started to use it to replace ivory, we started to use it to replace turtle shells, so we stopped killing animals. Now, the problem is that we started to create a lot of it. Yeah, since 2015, we created 6.4 billion tons of plastic waste. Okay, only 9% has been recycled, 79% natural environment. Yeah. Now, we as a business, we look at it as business resources, so that's 1.16 trillion euros lost of resources. But why? Yeah, the biggest problem is the quality. Okay, we treat waste as waste, we throw it away. Our waste management system is designed to treat waste as a nuisance, get rid of it. Okay, so we have something which is called EWC codes, which is basically very generic. Here is EWC codes for plastic packaging. And this is a pile of plastic packaging with all different plastics in it. Now imagine finding a plastic bottle there, processing it, and making new bottle. Would you drink from a bottle like that? Probably not. So, this is how Ireland stands, yeah, we're here. But here we're number one. We're number one in producing of plastic packaging waste per kilogram per capita, right? So we won. Now we hear that everywhere, okay? We've seen that headings, you know, the China banning plastic waste, where they had enough. Ireland sent 95% of plastic waste to China. We started to ban, we started to talk about, you know, banning plastics and so on, but realizing that, you know, plastic is everywhere. We depend on it. We have to use it. Plastic is not going to disappear. But as industry and marketing, they found opportunity, yeah? So they come up with this new thing, which is called greenwashing, when they started to use that opportunity to sell us more products. Okay, so we have 6 sins of greenwashing. We have hidden trade-off, yeah? So let's use paper. Paper is more sustainable. Well, is it? 90% of this packaging is recyclable. Well, 10% added makes it non-recyclable. Yeah, it's all natural, right? Everything is natural, it comes from earth. CFC-free, well, chlorofluorocarbons are banned, so it has to be CFC-free. Yeah? Fuel-efficient SUV, well, in their category, they are. And then false labels, yeah? We created these labels, you know, green product, 100% recyclable and whatever. But we as a consumer buy it. Yeah, we buy it, we like that all labels, we like all the shine, and you know, we just go and buy it. So what is the solution? Government's banning stuff, right? So we banned non-disposable cups. But what's the effect? Yeah? Before, this is actual study from the company that we work with. Before, non-compostable cups, they were sourcing them from manufacturing plant 90 kilometers away. They were thrown into standard bin and they were incinerated. Now, they have brand new compostable cups. They're more expensive because they cool. Now they manufacture 3,500 kilometers away in China. But they still thrown in the standard bin and still incinerated. But where are they coming from? Eh? What is the raw material? The second one, plastic straws. You've probably been in McDonald's. You get their milkshake. You know, you have to be very fast drinker because the straw will actually start dissolve now because it's made from paper before you actually finish your drink. So before, plastic straws, do job perfectly, does not dissolve. Organic contamination, so we have to burn it. Now we have paper straws. You probably use multiple straws per drink because they dissolve. They're still organically contaminated. You throw them into the same bin and they go to incineration. But now we're using trees to make them. Okay, so what's the biggest ingredient of failure is that the culture did not change. Yeah, we're still the same, we're still consumers, we still like to buy all that nice labels and so on. So let me show you what we do. We at Avato, we took on ourselves a big challenge to try to change the way we look at waste, and we designed this different tools trying to help companies to understand that there is a different way. So we started to work with this company. This company is in Ireland. We looked at their waste codes, European waste codes, as you see, very basic. We looked at reclassifying that waste as materials. Yeah? So how we can sell that product to somebody who wants to buy it. So we have to inform the buyer what we have and give them qualities of that product so they know I can use it to produce something else. So this is what we did. One of the projects with this company, analyzed the data, applied our knowledge, using KISS, keep it simple, stupid principle. We designed something that is easier to do it better way than the old way. So we installed a little shooter that now captured the waste from production line. The waste goes into nice box, is uncontaminated, pure material. Now we track it, we make sure it's delivered, and we have a new product. Quality is kept along the chain. Different product, different plastics, different mixes. Well, we actually discovered that this can be all mixed and captured to produce car mirrors, but the quality is the key. Another project, yeah, the quantity, yes, it matters, but not always. This material is a paint for plastics. It's called master batch, and it's used to color plastics. Very long quantities as a waste, but nightmare, because it will color everything. So, because we knew the material, we knew how much we have it, there was a partnership done with charity. They now collect that waste. The waste disappeared. It does not exist. It does not contaminate anything. And now they use it as an art and craft. So children actually play with it. And they did a study with university in Dublin that is actually helps children to develop their sensory feelings. So this is what we achieved. Before, downcycling and incineration, 90%, 9.4% going into landfill. The same company. A few years later, 74% of their waste is now sold to circular economy products, to produce new products, quality products, replacing virgin material. They made money on it. So this is not a proposal to save the planet. This is how we can make money on better understanding materials. The other projects that we did, so car mirrors, bicycle parts, computer parts, chairs, whatever. So coming to the main message is the change is not going to be led by governments. Change is not going to be led by companies. The change started as consumers. Yeah, we are the ones who have a power to actually look at the products and the proposition and start asking additional questions. Yeah, is this product really green? Is the banning that product is the right answer? Or are we looking to replace ivory with another problem? This is me. Thank you very much.
Marcin, just gotta play a little bit.